Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this quick video, I'll show you how to download and install the Outlook app on your smartphone, whether you're using Android or iPhone. So let's get started. First, unlock your phone and tap on the Play Store icon. Now tap on the search icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen. And in the search bar at the top, and type Outlook or Microsoft Outlook and hit search. And look for the one with the blue and white envelope icon titled Microsoft Outlook and tap on it. Make sure it's published by Microsoft Corporation. Now tap the blue install button and wait a few seconds while it downloads and installs. Once installed, tap open. And sign in with your email address and password to start using Outlook for email, calendar, and more. And yes, that's how you download and install the Outlook app on your phone. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.